In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut from your desktop. This is a handy way to access files, folders, or applications you use frequently without having to dig through your computer's directory every time. So let's dive right in and get started. First, take a look at your desktop. Find an empty area where you can comfortably right-click without accidentally opening anything else. When you do right-click on this space, you'll see a menu pop up. This menu offers several options, but the one we're interested in is labeled New. Hover your mouse over New, and another menu will appear. From this menu, select Shortcut. This command is your gateway to faster access to your most used files and applications. Once you click on Shortcut, a window will appear prompting you to create that shortcut. You'll see a field with a Browse button next to it. Here's where you'll tell your computer exactly what you want a shortcut for. So click that Browse button, and another window will pop up showing you your file directory. Navigate through your folders and files until you locate the one you want a shortcut for. It could be a document, a folder containing several files, or even one of your applications. Once you've found it, click on it, then click OK. You're now one step closer to having that shortcut right at your fingertips. Next, the wizard will guide you to another screen where you just need to hit the Next button. It's at this point you'll be asked to give your shortcut a name. This name will appear beneath the shortcuts icon on your desktop, so make sure it's something recognizable to you. It can be the name of the file or program itself, or something entirely unique that helps you know exactly what it's for at a glance. Once you've chosen a name, you're all set to finish up. Click on the Finish button, and just like magic, your shortcut appears on the desktop. It might seem like a small icon, but it can save you time and keep your workspace organized. So there you have it. Your new shortcut is ready to go. You can move it around your desktop as you please, perhaps placing it next to others you might create in the future for even better organization. This simple procedure can transform your computing experience by giving you quicker access to the tools you need. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps streamline your daily tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make your tech life easier.